Asparagus health benefits, uses, side effects, and nutritional fact. Asparagus officinalis, is a highly nutritious vegetable with a unique flavor and texture that has been enjoyed for centuries in various cultures. This green, spear shaped vegetable is not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. In this article, we'll explore the health benefits, uses, side effects, and nutritional facts of asparagus to help you make the most of this versatile vegetable. Health benefits of asparagus: 1. Rich in nutrients and antioxidants, asparagus is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as folate, iron, and fiber. It also contains antioxidants like glutathione, which helps protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. 2. Supports digestive health. Asparagus is high in fiber, particularly inulin, a prebiotic fiber that supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Consuming asparagus regularly can improve digestion, promote regular bowel movements, and reduce the risk of constipation. Additionally, the fiber content helps prevent digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome and IBS. 3. Promotes heart health. Asparagus is rich in folate and potassium, two nutrients that are essential for heart health. Folate helps lower levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, increases the risk of cardiovascular disease. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in the body, contributing to better heart health. 4. Improves kidney health. Asparagus has natural diuretic properties, which means it helps the body eliminate excess fluids and reduce the burden on the kidneys. This can be beneficial for individuals with conditions like edema, a fluid retention, or high blood pressure. The antioxidants in asparagus may also protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress. 5. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Asparagus is a low glycemic index (GI) food, meaning it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. The fiber antioxidants in asparagus help regulate blood sugar, making it a beneficial vegetable for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. 6. Supports weight loss. Asparagus is low in calories, making it a great food choice for weight loss or weight management. The high fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake and preventing overeating. 7. Boost immune system. Asparagus is rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps protect against infections and supports the body's ability to fight off illnesses and diseases. Uses of asparagus. Asparagus is a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in many different ways. It can be steamed, boiled, roasted, grilled, or sauteed to suit various dishes. Asparagus is commonly used in salads, soups, stir fries, and pasta dishes. It can also be enjoyed as a simple side dish when drizzled with olive oil, lemon juice, and seasonings. The tender tips of the asparagus are often considered the most flavorful and desirable part, while the thicker stalks can be peeled or snapped before cooking. Asparagus pairs well with a variety of ingredients, including garlic, lemon, cheese, eggs, and herbs. Asparagus can also be added to smoothies or juiced for a nutrient-packed drink. Some people even enjoy pickled asparagus as a snack or garnish for cocktails like Bloody Marys. Side effects of asparagus. While asparagus is generally considered safe and beneficial for most people, there are some potential side effects to be aware of. 1. Digestive issues. Asparagus is high in fiber, which may cause bloating or gas in some individuals, especially if consumed in large quantities. People with sensitive digestive systems or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and IBS may want to start with smaller portions. 2. Strong odor in urine. One of the most common side effects of eating asparagus is the distinct odor that it imparts to urine. This is caused by sulfur containing compounds that are broken down during digestion. While harmless, the smell can be unpleasant for some people. 3. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may have an allergic reaction to asparagus, particularly those with sensitivities to other foods in the lily family such as garlic or onions. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing, and immediate medical attention should be sought if these occur. 4. Interaction with medications. Asparagus is a natural diuretic which may interfere with certain medications, especially those used to manage high blood pressure or fluid retention. If you are on medication, consult your doctor before adding large amounts of asparagus to your diet. Nutritional facts of fat asparagus. Asparagus is low in calories yet packed with nutrients, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their health. Here's a breakdown of the nutritional content of 1 cup, about 130 grams of cooked asparagus, calories 27 carbohydrates, fiber 3 grams, protein 3 grams, fat 0 grams, vitamin L 20% of the daily recommended intake, vitamin C3 20% of the daily recommended intake, vitamin K 57% of the daily recommended intake, folate at 67% of the daily recommended intake, potassium 6% of the daily recommended intake, iron 6% of the daily recommended intake. A conclusion: asparagus is a powerhouse of nutrients and offers a wide range of health benefits, from supporting digestion and heart health to boosting the immune system and aiding weight loss. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it an easy and delicious addition to many dishes. However, like all foods, it should be consumed in moderation, and individuals with specific health conditions should consult a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Whether enjoyed as a side dish or incorporated into main meals, asparagus is a nutrient-packed vegetable that supports overall health and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.